Have you ever wondered why so many rockets seem to blast off from places close to the middle of the Earth? It is not a coincidence or just about good weather. The biggest benefit of launching rockets near the equator is gaining a significant speed advantage from Earth's rotation, which acts as a free boost. This allows rockets to carry more payload or use less fuel to reach orbit. Our Earth is constantly spinning, completing one full rotation every 24 hours. While the entire planet rotates at the same angular speed, the linear speed of a point on the surface varies significantly with its distance from the axis of rotation. Imagine a merry-go-round. The horses on the outside move much faster than those closer to the center, even though the whole thing turns together. The equator is the widest part of our planet, and therefore, points along the equator are moving the fastest due to this rotation. At the equator, a point on the surface is moving at over 1,000 miles per hour, or about 1,600 kilometers per hour. This is a tremendous head start for any rocket launching eastward. This inherent eastward speed at the equator means a rocket needs less additional thrust to achieve the incredible orbital velocity required to stay in space. Essentially, the Earth helps push the rocket along, saving precious fuel or allowing engineers to design for a heavier cargo capacity. This principle is why facilities like the European Space Agency's launch site in Kourou, French Guiana, are positioned so close to the equator. They capitalize on this natural phenomenon to make spaceflight more efficient. This equatorial advantage is often referred to in terms of delta V, a critical measurement for space missions. Delta V represents the change in velocity required for a spacecraft to perform a maneuver. By launching eastward from the equator, rockets effectively get a chunk of their required delta V for free from Earth's rotation, making the journey to space more achievable. It is like getting a running start before a big jump. Harnessing Earth's natural spin near the equator drastically improves the economics and engineering of space launches. It translates directly into lower costs per launch, greater flexibility for mission planners, and the ability to deploy larger or more complex satellites and spacecraft into various orbits, truly unlocking more possibilities for our journey into the cosmos.
Join us at Space Tech Insider, where innovation meets the infinite. Discover the future today.